Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my delicious sweet chili lime sauce. It's a condiment that can be used for dipping your favorite finger foods. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine sweet chili sauce, which, by the way, you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, followed by freshly squeezed lime juice, and to balance it out, we'll add agave nectar. We'll give a stir until all the ingredients are nicely blended. When it's time to serve, if you want, sprinkle on some fresh chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our sweet chili lime sauce. Quick and easy to make, this versatile and tasty sauce can be used as a dip or in combination with other ingredients for marinades, sauces, etc. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!